Hey everyone, want to sync Microsoft Edge across your devices? A Microsoft Edge sync lets you keep your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, open tabs, extensions, and settings updated across all your Windows PCs, Macs, smartphones, and tablets. In this full guide, I'll show you how to sync Microsoft Edge across devices in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and sign in using your Microsoft account. You'll need to use the same account on every device you want to sync. Next, click your profile and open Manage Profile Settings, then select Sync. This page lets you control exactly what information is synchronized between your devices. Now turn on Sync. You can choose to sync your favorites, passwords, history, open tabs, extensions, settings, addresses, payment information, and collections. Enable only the items you want to keep synchronized. Now install Microsoft Edge on your other devices if needed. Sign in with the same Microsoft account and enable sync there as well. Your data will begin syncing automatically after a short time. After a few moments, check that your bookmarks, passwords, history, and other information appear on your second device. If you recently added new bookmarks or passwords, they should automatically appear once synchronization is complete. If your data isn't syncing, make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account on every device. Confirm that sync is enabled. Check your internet connection. And update Microsoft Edge to the latest version. Restarting the browser can also help refresh the sync process. For the best experience, use separate Edge profiles for work and personal browsing. Enable two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account for added security. Regularly review your synced data. And keep Edge updated on all of your devices. These habits help ensure a fast, secure, and reliable syncing experience. And that's how to sync Microsoft Edge across devices in 2026. Whether you're switching between your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, Edge Sync keeps your browsing experience consistent everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.